Chat. All the lads are leaving. Shiny shunter I've been using is the right heap. I finally found the trailer I got for Monday, so I got to pull the curtains back and strap the load so I get an early start then. Now you'll see how hard these trailers are to fucking park in. Done that one there, that one there, that one there, and that one there. They're the easy ones. The rest of them I should fit right in that corner, round the corner. And the other side, there's a pile more. I just made a space there because I took one out to put around the workshop. But you see how tight it is between them. And then got much room to swing. And this puddle's quite a small one. It was from the yard originally. Right up to the top of there, that's how long the puddle was. All this ground was covered like a river. Yeah. So that's the good fun I've been having, yeah. Now I've got to change from my mechanic's head to driver's head. But my unit's blocked in by some pillock who's parked in front of me and gone to the hotel for the night. So I can't put my truck on the front of it anyway. If I leave it here blocking anything else, and I'm assured I can get away first thing, yeah? Speak to you later. Oh, hang on. Show you the shunter of the month. This is what happens to a yard shunter when they've been used for ages, look. Brilliant truck, but it's as rough as look at that. Proper mechanic shunter, isn't it?